Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do battery charging speed test of Huawei Nova 4 smartphone. It comes with 3750 mAh battery along with 18-watt fast charging. So right now the battery is totally dead. If I switch on the device, you can see that it is showing battery percentage is 0 and the phone will shut down by itself. So for this testing purpose, we are going to use the official Huawei 18-watt charger that comes in the retail box and this USB cable, along with this another smartphone that we will use for the timer purpose. So let's start our test now and let's see that how much time it's going to take to reach 100% from 0% on Huawei Nova 4. So as you can see once again that the battery is at 0% right now. So it's 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery percentage and it's 10%. So after 10 minutes it's 10%. Let's switch on the device now. And it is showing that it will take 2 hours 14 minutes more from now to reach 100%. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status and now it's 28%. So after 30 minutes battery percentage reached to 28 from 0%, and it is showing that it will take 1 hour 59 minutes more to reach 100% from this moment. So it's 1 hour now. Let's have a look on the battery status once again and it's 56%. So after 1 hour battery percentage reached to 56 from 0%, and it is showing that it will take 1 hour 34 minutes more to reach 100%. And now it's 2 hours. Let's have a look on the battery status and it's 96% after 2 hours, and it is showing that it will take 19 minutes more to reach 100% from 96%. So 10 more minutes are passed and the battery is at 98% now, and it will take 9 minutes more approximately to reach 100%. So it's 99%, less than 5 minutes left. And it's 100% now. So 2 hours 19 minutes 13 seconds, we can say 2 hours 19 minutes exactly in reaching from 0 to 100% on Huawei Nova 4. So you can take an average of 2 hours 15 minutes to 2 hours 20 minutes it will take, depending how you are charging your device and how much it's being used while it's getting charged. But on average 2 hours 15 minutes to 2 hours 25 minutes, it's the best to consider. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.